All right. So something really cool and interesting that we were able to do the other day. I'm a retina surgeon, and one of the things that we have been very into since the beginning is 3D surgery. And I hate to use the word pioneer because Alcon has been really the pioneer behind 3D surgery. 3D heads-up surgery in the vitreoretinal space. This is basically where we're able to actually operate, and while we're operating, instead of looking through a microscope, we're able to actually look at a 3D monitor. We have a 3D camera with HDR sensors hooked up where the oculars normally are, and we wear 3D glasses and we watch this big, beautiful monitor. Really helps with depth perception. We can modulate colors, helps with teaching and education and things like that. We've used it for the last 5 or 6 years. It's been awesome. Great revolution and innovation as far as retinal surgery, teaching, education, surgical video, something that I've been very passionate about. But the other day we were in the operating room, and I have the Apple Vision Pro. One of the other things that we've been very into has been training in the metaverse, and trying to educate future surgeons, current surgeons on techniques and other things in the metaverse. Got a couple of buddies that I do stuff in the metaverse. Eric, Steve, awesome guys, have started a company called MetaMed that is educational, primarily trying to educate people utilizing this unique platform of the metaverse with the 3D surgical videos and whatnot. But while I was in the operating room, I thought, gosh, you know what? Can we take the 3D glasses that we utilize, so we wear these 3D glasses and look at the 3D monitor, and put them on an Apple Vision Pro headset, and will it actually take the 3D that we see on our screen and be able to record it in 3D? And so we have these 3D visors, and I was able to tape one over the front of our Apple Vision Pro because these are flexible. So I just used some surgical tape, kind of fixed it over the front of the Apple Vision Pro. And when you were looking at our monitor now through the Apple Vision Pro, you could actually see the 3D surgical video in the Apple Vision Pro. And if you recorded a kind of one of those immersive videos, looking at that screen with this 3D visor over the front of the Apple Vision Pro, it would record the video in 3D, and you could actually send that video on or rewatch that video and see it in 3D on another Apple Vision Pro. Now, this is awesome. It was awesome proof of concept to be able to do this and show that you could actually record the 3D surgical video that we see on the Apple Vision Pro. The only problem is there's right now no streaming ability to be able to stream from the Apple Vision Pro to a platform like a YouTube or something where multiple other people on the Apple Vision Pro could be able to watch. I didn't try FaceTime to see if there's like an immersive ability to do FaceTime in 3D, but you certainly can at least record 3D video off of the Ngenuity screen, which normally if you looked without the visor, it would look like you're watching a 3D movie without 3D glasses on. To be able to record 3D video on the Apple Vision Pro and watch it back in 3D in this immersive video capabilities, which is so super awesome and mind-boggling, and I think gives so much opportunity to actually put people from all over the world in the operating room right there next to you. So just a couple of video clips. Now, these are not going to be obviously in immersive 3D, but these are actually clips recorded with the Apple Vision Pro of operating. We got the fellow kind of starting the case as we're doing it here. And what's amazing is that actually when you just airdrop those from your Apple Vision Pro to a phone or text them to somebody, they show up as a 2D video and they're perfectly clear as well. So that's pretty awesome that you can actually take those videos, and if you're looking at them on an Apple Vision Pro headset, you're going to be able to see them in that immersive 3D video. But if you send them to somebody and they don't have an Apple Vision Pro, they can actually see things in 2D. So thought that was really neat. If other retina surgeons or ophthalmologists that are using the Ngenuity 3D system and you have an Apple Vision Pro, you can affix these kind of flexible 3D polarized lenses over top of this with some surgical tape. Hopefully find a little more elegant way to do it, and actually be able to record your videos on the Apple Vision Pro in 3D. Thanks for watching.